Nuer language, Thok Nath. 10 simple English sentences for kids. Dobriene dangwel kekwigan. Learn and practice every day. Ngeje rodun nichang ka Thok Nath. My name is Much. Shall show the much. Shall show the much. I am 6 years old. Anta Karun Bakel. Anta Karun Bakel. I live in Nasser. En Shienga kan Nasser. En Shienga kan Nasser. This is my family. Titi Kashia Mari. Titi Kashia Mari. I like to play. I like to play. En nakangar. En nakangar. I go to school every day. En la wa dulgora nichang. En la wa dulgora nichang. The sun is bright. Sheng Shabuai. Sheng Shabuai. I have a book. Anta ka book. Anta ka book. I eat rice and beans. En shamarus kana ngwar. En shamarus kana ngwar. Thank you very much. Chiloida te salong. Chiloida te salong.